This isn't just another truck entering the market. This might be the truck that quietly replaces the way we think about trucks altogether. Because the 2026 to 27 Toyota Stout isn't trying to compete in the traditional sense. It's not chasing the biggest engine, the highest towing number, or the most aggressive design. Instead, it's doing something far more dangerous to the competition. It's changing the rules. Welcome back to MVP Wheel. Let's be real for a second. The truck market has been stuck in a loop. Every year, we see bigger, more powerful, more expensive pickups. And while that sounds impressive, it doesn't always reflect how people actually use their trucks. Most drivers aren't towing massive trailers every day. They're commuting, running errands, living normal lives, and that's exactly where the Stout steps in, because instead of asking, how can we beat other trucks? Toyota seems to be asking, what do people actually need? And that one question changes everything. Now think about this. If a truck can do 90% of what most people need, while being easier to drive, more efficient, and more affordable, then what happens to the rest of the market? That's where things get interesting. Because suddenly, traditional trucks don't feel like the default choice anymore. They start to feel like overkill. Let's talk about size first. The Stout is expected to be compact, not oversized, not intimidating, just practical. Easy to park, easy to maneuver, and comfortable in everyday situations. And for a lot of drivers, that alone is a huge advantage. But size is only part of the story. The real shift comes from what's under the hood. The 2026 to 27 Stout is expected to feature a hybrid powertrain. And this is where things start to feel like a different category entirely. Instant torque, smoother acceleration, and significantly better fuel efficiency. This isn't just an upgrade. It's a new way of thinking, because instead of sacrificing fuel for power, the Stout is expected to deliver both in a balanced, practical way. Now imagine driving a truck that doesn't constantly remind you of fuel costs. A truck that feels smooth in traffic, quiet on the road, and responsive when you need it. That's not just better, that's smarter. And that's where the idea of replacement starts to make sense, because if something better fits your daily life, it doesn't need to compete. It just takes over. Now let's talk about performance. The Stout isn't trying to break records. It's expected to deliver around 220 to 270 horsepower, more than enough for daily driving, light towing, and weekend use. But what really matters is how that power is delivered: smooth, immediate, controlled, not aggressive for the sake of it, but effective where it counts. And that's something many traditional trucks struggle with in everyday conditions. Step inside, and the difference becomes even clearer. The Stout is expected to offer a modern interior with a large touchscreen, digital displays, smartphone connectivity, and advanced safety features. This isn't a rough, work-only environment. It's a space you actually want to spend time in, and that's a huge shift because trucks are no longer just tools, they're daily drivers, and the Stout seems to understand that better than most. Now let's talk about pricing, because this is where things could really change. If Toyota manages to keep the Stout affordable, it opens the door for a completely new audience. People who never considered buying a truck before might suddenly see it as a smart option. And that's how disruption happens, not by taking customers from competitors, but by creating new ones. Now here's the important part. Does this mean traditional trucks disappear? No. There will always be a need for heavy-duty pickups and extreme capability. But for the majority of drivers, the ones who just want something practical, efficient, and easy to live with, that's where the Stout becomes incredibly powerful, because it doesn't just offer an alternative. It offers a better fit, and when something fits better, it naturally replaces what came before. Now imagine this. You're about to buy a truck. You're looking at all the usual options: big, powerful, expensive. And then you see the Stout, smaller, smarter, more efficient. And suddenly, the question changes. It's no longer which truck is the best. It becomes, why do I need anything more than this? And that's the moment everything shifts, because that's not competition anymore, that's replacement. But let's stay grounded. Not everything is officially confirmed yet. A lot of the details are based on expectations and trends. And that means the final version could still surprise us. Still, the direction is clear: smarter trucks, more practical designs, better efficiency, and a focus on real-world use instead of extreme scenarios. And the 2026 to 7 Toyota Stout sits right at the center of that shift. So the next time you think about buying a truck, ask yourself this: do you need more? Or do you just need something better? Because the Stout isn't trying to compete, it's trying to replace, and if it delivers on its promise, it just might succeed. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe to MVP Wheel, and turn on notifications. Because the future of trucks isn't about who wins, it's about who changes the game.